If you need assistance with your TD Ameritrade account, contacting support is straightforward. Follow these steps to reach out to their customer service effectively. Step 1. Visit the TD Ameritrade websites. Go to the official TD Ameritrade website using your web browser. Look for the Contact Us link, usually found at the bottom of the homepage. Step 2. Choose your support option. Once on the contact page, you will see various options for support. You can choose to call, chat online, or send an email. Select the method that best suits your needs. Step 3. Prepare your information. Before reaching out, gather any necessary information related to your account, such as your account number, personal identification details, and a description of your issue. This will help the support team assist you more efficiently. Step 4. Reach out to support. If you choose to call, dial the provided customer service number. If you opt for chat or email, follow the prompts to initiate your inquiry. Be clear and concise in explaining your issue. Step 5. Follow up. After your initial contact, keep an eye on your email or phone for any responses. If your issue isn't resolved promptly, don't hesitate to follow up with support for updates. By following these steps, you can efficiently contact TD Ameritrade support and get the help you need.